Traders, good evening. It's bang on 9 o'clock in the evening here. As promised, there is the second video, and it is now. So, New York is open in around 30 minutes, and I want to touch upon a few, potential trades. I can take two more trades if they meet the criteria. Look, Aussie Kiwi, I just want to sort of touch on this briefly. I did talk about this being a potential sell trade. This would have been earlier in the week. Nothing came about it, and that's where it currently is at. It's going to have to get down to the lows here around 105.097. So it's currently 199 to 2. So I'm going to pass on this, and let's talk about the Aussie CAD as well. I've been sort of mulling about. The reason why I'm not super keen on this is because to sell the Aussie CAD, I'm long on the CAD with the USD CAD sell trade and also this. So I don't really like to do that, and that would be 4% at risk, and I'd be vulnerable if things were to change. So the USDCAD had a better setup, that's why I took it. So I took this. It would have been around 24 hours ago now. I think it was a little bit later. It was 23 hours ago, so I took it about 10 o'clock last night. I'm just going to have a sip of water here. And I went in, here with the low of that candle. So ideally, this candle would have been it. But I wasn't actually watching that. I was fixated on the two Aussie pairs I've been discussing. So that's a golden rule, guys. Always be searching. And I sort of missed it. I had been watching it, but then I thought, you know what, like it's gonna come back, and then I don't want triggers this. I don't really care fundamentally. I just look at the technicals, and that was pretty nice. So and some it appears that 2 standard deviations banned there as well, so not too bad at all. Euro Swissy, I'm going to bring this up if I can find it. I can require my skill to identify this. It's actually been a pretty good day today. Really nice day in Perth as well. Really pretty sweet. It was like 23 degrees and sunny. Had athletics. It was just got a few days off work. It was just feeling sore as hell, but this is interesting. A wick like this isn't good, to be honest. So it's going to have to just hold here and then see if it wants to go higher. So I'll be watching this candle and to see what it does. I think this candle just closed. No, this candle. Okay, all the times are wrong, but I think there's a 9 o'clock candle, and then there's this current candle. So again, I'll be watching this. I'm just going to point out some indicators that I roll with. So I've got a 200 south to 55 out as well. See what it's doing. 55, I like to be in red. Just straight up red. Yeah, nice. Very nice. Stop loss would be down here. Let's have a look at the daily. Let's have a look at the weekly. Whoa, weekly's pretty nice, and that's been drawn in before. Let's zoom out some more. look at that, man. It's crazy. It's got some room. It's cleared that recent bit of resistance there. Back to the 4-hour. How's the hourly looking? I take trades off the 4-hour candle, but I like to just peruse the hour charts just to see. It's always a bit of noise, but it's good to see exactly what's going on, and it has retraced a little bit from that high that it hit. So I'll continue to watch this one though, pretty intently. Connor, my trading buddy, in Australia as well as in this. Also, he's in the Aussie yen. Let's see how that one's going. Put back a little bit, but you know what? That's fine. You really want to see this sort of stuff. It's very healthy. The markets just don't go just up. Like the Bitcoin show and everything. And it's really died off recently, cryptocurrency. Oh, these people have been just commenting and spamming the hell out of me, which is great. Yeah. So in conclusion, EURCHF is the main watch. Aussie CAD, Aussie Kiwi. I'll watch the Aussie Kiwi as well. But not. I won't sell the Aussie CAD. Okay. Anyway, so that's it, guys. Aussie Kiwi is a potential sell trade. This EURCHF is a potential buy trade. Nothing else currently that I'm going to put a penny on or in. USDCAD is an open sell trade as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.